So today we're going to make the smoothie Daring Dill from page 128 in 100 Smoothies. There's a smoothie challenge going on. You can check it on the book page, which I'll link below. And I think we're just going to go and get to it. This is the last smoothie I'll be making from this book. If you guys have any questions about the book, please feel free to reach out. Quite daring, all nice and green. I hope you guys like this recipe. Please subscribe. If you want to know more about the diet, I do Q&A videos, and if there's any topic that you'd like me to cover, just let me know. Cheers!